How's it going? The other day we were just discussing ways and ideas of doing partial tangs and without doing a 3-layer way with the joint in the middle. And one way we're talking about is slotting with a table saw. So use a single piece of wood and slot down and get the exact height. And another way you can do it, I was talking about routing and milling, and this is a way I've seen other people do this sort of stuff for bolsters. Got a carbide flat milling piece, and you use the drill settings to get it to the right height for the piece of material, and just slot out the height of the piece that you want there. And to get it nice and flat and trim and everything, you can clamp another piece that the carbide cutter is less likely to cut, like a hardened piece of steel, to keep it straight. But let me show you how this works anyway. It's really simple. And I'm not trying to be accurate, I'm just trying to get across the idea. So you can see that I use that piece to mill flat that bit there. And the idea is that you just get it the right tang and the right height to get a flush piece. It's quite easy to set up. And so you'd make this bit the thickness of the scale plus, and then you use another piece that's minus that and thin it all down. So that's one nice way just to get a partial tang in there, drill the holes at the front, just glue and pin the rest of it, 2 solid pieces, nice and quick. And it's not hard to get that bit. I mean, you can see even just freehanding it, let me just try and get this on here. I'll get something to hold the blade. Zoom out. Oopsie daisy. Just trying to get that to sit flat and hold it for me. So what I was saying was, even just freehanding with the vise, I got a fairly close to tight line there. And it's pretty flush. But all you have to do, I mean, even if you're worried about getting that a perfect fit, you just make this fractionally deeper than the height of the steel, and then you sand it flush anyway on a flatbed to get it perfect. But so that's a really good way of doing a partial tang. Just mill out that portion with one of these things, carbide cutting end bit. Really not hard if you've got a good drill press. And you know, all good drills have got that stopping point at the top so you don't go too far, but they also have the one at the bottom which allows you to set the height and lock the height. So I had that set to that exact position for the height I needed, and then it's just very easy to relax and do that with a nice table vise. If you have an XY vise, which is like a mini milling one that you can probably buy cheap in America, where this thing here you can actually turn it left and right, back and forward, then you could do it perfectly without any hassle at all, because that would be stationary, this would be stationary, and you move the piece. Anyway, just an idea.